In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your LinkedIn password on mobile when you've forgotten it. If you can't remember your password, don't worry. This process is quick and secure. Before we start, make sure you have a stable internet connection and access to the email inbox linked to your account. The exact labels can vary slightly between iOS and Android, but the flow is the same. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. Tap your profile photo in the top corner to open the menu, then choose Settings. From there, go to Sign In and Security. You'll see an option labeled Change Password. Since you don't remember the current one, tap that and look for the Forgot Password option on this screen. On mobile, LinkedIn usually fills in the email address that's associated with your account automatically. If you see your email already there, just tap Next. If it's blank or not the right account, type in the email address you use for LinkedIn and then tap Next. LinkedIn will send a 6-digit verification code to that email. Open your email app, find the message from LinkedIn, and copy the code. Sometimes it takes a minute to arrive, so give it a moment, and if you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Codes expire after a short time, so grab the newest one. Never share this code with anyone. It's meant to confirm that it's really you. Head back to LinkedIn, paste or type the 6-digit code, and tap Submit. Next, you may be asked to complete a quick security check, things like confirming it's you or solving a simple verification prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions. This extra step helps keep your account safe. Once you pass verification, LinkedIn will prompt you to create a new password. Choose a strong one you haven't used on LinkedIn before. A good guideline is to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and aim for something that's long and unique. Avoid obvious choices like simple words or anything easy to guess. Enter the new password, confirm it if prompted, and then save. After you submit, you'll see a confirmation that your password has been updated. If you're signed in on other devices, LinkedIn may ask you to sign in again with the new password, which is normal. Take a moment to make sure you can log in and consider storing your new password in a password manager so you don't lose it again. That's it. Your LinkedIn password is reset on mobile. If this walkthrough helped, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss future tutorials.